We started our trek at 7:30 in the morning, quite reluctantly after the bizarre string of events the previous night. We were excited to complete our trek, although we couldn't find any restaurants for breakfast. So we packed our bags with some water, dates, and fruits and moved ahead. Jebel Shams, or the Mountain of the Sun, gets its name because it's the first place to receive sunrise in Oman due to its high peak. It's the highest mountain in Oman with a height of 3,028 meters. However, it's not possible to summit the mountain since it is occupied by a military base. So, we can do the next best thing, somewhere close to 3,000 meters. We also encountered a lot of mountain goats. But after a 4-hour trek, exhausted, starving, we decided to quit. The mountain had defeated us. We will be back again. But this trek will stay with us.